Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday.
Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope and pray you have a beautiful weekend. Yeah, so listen, on Sunday, if you are not busy, 7 Central Time, Sunday night, come by and join me on my weekly Sunday Night Live. Yeah, I will be sharing some great information on gardening. But today I stopped in because I wanted to share with you all. I'm going to hang out with Jody today, and we are going to go to a couple of stores. The first store we're going to go to is Lowe's. Yeah, I'm just going to share some of the things that I'm doing over here in my garden. Now, I'm harvesting more radish because I fried some the other day and I like it so much. I'm harvesting these, but I done dropped more seeds, baby. I didn't know I was gonna like them as much as I do, but I got the seeds. So I hope you enjoy your stay here with me today and check out Jody and I just having a beautiful Friday.
All right. So, this is who I'm with. And this is me. Yeah. And we are hanging out today. Yeah. I'll show y'all where we at. Well, our first stop.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Boom. 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 Where we at, Mommy?
No.
Let's see what's going on at
Lowe's.
Yay.
Let's go.
All right. So, of course, they have a lot of dying cold flowers out here, but look how gorgeous they are. They're gorgeous. Jody, go and get me a basket, y'all. Yeah. I need that basket. You kind of see what seeds they have too. Listen to her, y'all. All right. We're making our way to the seeds. Let's see what they got. Probably what we already know, right? Yeah.
See if we can get something low at Lowe's.
Something low.
At Lowe's.
Low. It's hit the low. That's seed starting. All right, Jody. So look at some seeds of what you want to grow this spring. Or what you want to eat this spring. So I want to grow some cowpeas this spring. I didn't grow any last year, so I'm gonna get a pack of those.
These are $2.50.
Yeah.
My God.
I know. I do have some seeds. I only need about one seed. That's good. Those green beans right there. Get one of those.
All right.
Right, and we're gonna get some red onion seeds. Oh, look, that's a wow. Oh yeah, get that, Mommy. And look, see right there, that leek right there? Get that leek. No, go down, over, the other way. Boom. Nice. Yeah.
Look like bok choy.
And let's see what this is some buncheon onions, evergreen, and of course This what I grew last year. Louisiana green velvet. Good, good. So let's get a girl. Look at that. Them green onions is $2.99.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What they trying to
This one
do?
too. This one too.
The leeks? Yeah.
The leaks got to be leaking.
Yeah.
If it too, what?
I know. I
Okay.
know. All right. Let's see what else. So, peaches and cream. Oh, peaches and cream, Jody. Corn.
Okay.
I'm looking at it. First. That's it.
$2.79.
Yeah, that's what we want.
My God.
Yeah. I do have some at home, but we're gonna get more. All right. Yeah. You see something you like?
Not for no $2.99.
No, don't worry about the price. I got
No,
you.
yeah, I know, but look, I'm gonna eat off of this here. Unless they got a lemon seed, I don't know.
Girl, why they got this all against this?
Oh my God.
We gotta go the other way.
Yeah.
'Cause-
Okay. All right, these are 50% off.
But I don't. How much are they though?
$7, so it's $3.50.
Yeah.
What's the same ones at the Dollar Tree, huh?
Oh yeah, those are tulip. Yeah, I don't want that.
Okay.
No, the iris is pretty. That bearded iris. Ooh, she is pretty. Look at this bearded iris. She is pretty. Yeah.
She all right.
She all right?
She all right. Oh, no.
Yeah. So on this side is the herbs.
Okay.
All right.
And flowers.
Yeah. Okay. All right. What kind of herbs you want?
I like, maybe some, I don't know. Oh, parsley?
So is it triple?
It just says parsley, and then one of them says flat.
No, I don't like flat. I like triple parsley, triple curl parsley.
Lemon balm, basil, peppermint. I don't like rosemary at all.
I do. Get her. Get one pack.
Rosemary?
Yeah.
Okay. Brussels sprouts, carrots, strawberries.
How you doing, baby?
That's about it.
So I'm looking for some long beans. So here's some beans right here, but I don't want the asparagus or the orange. I want some beans like that.
The Blue Lake.
Yeah. So we can put some in some brine.
Okay.
You'll like those, Jody.
Okay.
Just some long ones, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. That's it?
Yeah.
We good?
You're too good.
All right, y'all. Oh, look at that. Look, oh, is that the one we have?
The Blue Lake.
156? That's not the one. Oh, but look how much it costs.
Oh my God.
That's the big pack, though. Those are the big packs. You see it?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. All right. All right, what's the next though? Let's go pay for this and let's go to Dollar Tree. I'm good. We was gonna go to Rosie's, but not today, Joe. I don't feel like it. I want to eat. All right, this is our next stop. Dollar Tree, Jody. There we go. All right, so Jody is taking care of the what we buying over here. Thank you. We forgot to go by the compost.
So,
All right, we're back home. We've had fun.
yeah.
Jody ran away from the cow manure.
Yeah. Again.
Black, what is that? Black cow?
Yeah.
Jody, you won't have nothing to do with black cow?
No, and don't.
What's wrong with black cow?
I ain't touching that.
All right, guys. I hope you all enjoy hanging out with us today.
Yeah.
But I'm going to get in my garden now. And Jody, where you going?
In the bed. In the bed.
All right, y'all.
Bye.
Later.